10 simple brain exercises to boost your brain power and focus. Welcome back. Today, I'll share 10 simple brain exercises that can help you boost your brain power, memory, and focus. Let's begin. 1. Deep breathing. 10 seconds. Take 5 deep breaths. Slow breathing increases oxygen to your brain and instantly improves concentration. 2. Solve a puzzle. 10 seconds. 3 crosswords, Sudoku, or a quick riddle. Puzzles keep your brain active and improve problem-solving skills. 3. Memory challenge. 10 seconds. Look around you. Pick 5 objects, memorize them, then recall them with your eyes closed. This strengthens your short-term memory. 4. Learn a new word. 10 seconds. Learning just one new word a day creates new neural connections and improves vocabulary. 5. Use your non-dominant hand. 10 seconds. Try brushing your teeth or writing a few letters with your opposite hand. It challenges your brain and boosts mental flexibility. 6. Read for 10 minutes. 10 seconds. Reading daily increases focus, imagination, and comprehension. 7. Quick math. 10 seconds. Do simple math without a calculator. Try adding numbers, multiplying small digits, or calculating change in your head. 8. Mini meditation. 10 seconds. Close your eyes for 30 seconds and focus only on your breathing. Meditation reduces stress and sharpens attention. 9. Learn something new. 10 seconds. A new hobby, a new skill, or even a new recipe stimulates your brain and builds new pathways. 10. Gratitude exercise. 10 seconds. Think of 3 things you're grateful for. This boosts emotional health and strengthens positive thinking. Ending 5 seconds. Do these exercises every day to keep your brain active, sharp, and focused. Like and subscribe for more simple health tips.